Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. And we have the integration of s to the power of n ds. So we have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. And we put about c. So we apply this formula for this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So for the first one, we have s to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1. The next one is about s to the power of 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1. The next one, that's about 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1. The next one, that's about 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. And the last one, we know that this is about number 8. We can put about s to the power of 0. S to the power of 0 in here. Because s to the power of 0, you got number 1. So we have s to the power of 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1. And now we need to simplify. This one we have negative number 2, negative number 2. This one is about 5. This one is about 5. This one is about 4. 4. 3. 3. 1. 1. So this one we can write into a to multiply by s. 6 divided by 4. So we have 3 over 2. Number 4 with number 5 we have 20. And this is the final answer we need to find. This is the end. Thank you for watching.